Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Just start your Tableau. Have a connection with the same file. Nice to this lecture will be extended. Updated you last time. Okay, today after 1. They also have a connection with the same file, same sheet. Okay. So guys, what are the topics we have done last time?
Joins, sir. Joins.
We started with filter. So remember, okay. In filter, how many types of filter we have? 4. Which are 4? Top, perfect top, wildcards, conditions. So we have this 4 types of filter. Okay. And then we also have something known as advanced filter. Advanced filter means, remember, we click on show control on the right hand side we get. Over there we have single value or multi-value, which is only for journal and wildcards. Okay, over there we cannot add condition on top. Next, after this, we also done filter with respect to summary level, record level. Record level is nothing but your row level, every value more than 0, profit. Then your summary level. Also, we have done filtering based on date wise, remember, with respect to range of date or starting date, ending date. Okay, these are all types of filters we have done. Okay, then we have done grouping. So we have done header grouping, then toolbar grouping. Okay, data window grouping, 3 methods. Here we have done header, we have done toolbar, and we have done your data window. Then what you say, Dheeraj? What we have done? Parameter. Okay, perfect. So we have done parameter. So we have done your caption, title, and both we have done for formatting also. Anything else we have done, guys? Hello? Not able to recollect what you say. Drill down in hierarchy. Okay. So for category data, we need to create drill down. We need to create hierarchy. For date variable, it is automated created. Clear? Plus, we have also done prior to prior marks card. Color, size, label, tooltips, shape. Okay. So everything which come from filter we done, marks card we done, row pills, column pills runs, entire view we don't know that, sorting we know. Okay. Now guys, today we'll increase the level. Okay. Are you comfortable now with tracking the data? Everyone are comfortable? When I say you just have to drag column A, column B. Okay. Guys, take market and column. Okay, like this way. Market, order priority, and sales. Market, order priority, and sales. Done, everyone? Sales and label. Sales and text. Done. Click on analysis. Go to main toolbar over here. Guys, first see where I click. Then you click. Main toolbar, total, show row grand total. So row wise you will have grand total added. Links for same analysis, total. Then again say show grand total column wise. Now guys, looking at this number, which market have the highest sales? Which market? Market is column wise, order priority is row wise. Okay. Look at the column wise and tell me which market have the highest sales. Asia Pacific 40 lakhs. Okay. Now always remember when you submit your report to business, never submit report in terms of values. Always submit a report in terms of percentage. Click on analysis, guys. You will find percentage off. What is ticked for you? None. Now click on table and see what happened. Okay. Based on overall sum, it divide each value. How much contribution come from Asia Pacific? So 31% contribution come from Asia Pacific. Clear? Now within Asia Pacific, which order priority is very important? Medium. Got the point? How to analyze? Second, you can, instead of doing percent of table, you can do percentage column wise, row wise also. Try with column wise. See? Which order priority has the highest contribution? Total level. Which order priority have the highest contribution? Medium. Perfect. This is called column percent. Same way we can do row wise also. If you do row wise calculation, which market have the highest contribution? Asia Pacific. Clear? So either study row wise, either study column wise, or either study the entire table wise. Clear? Any question anyone have? Okay. This is called table calculation. Write the sheet name. Sheet name will be table calculation. Second sheet. Take market. Take sheet. Right. One second, let me do. Make this one market, ship mode, auto priority. Just double click on market. One second. Let me complete. I'll give you time. Guys, I'll repeat. The column takes ship mode and order priority in the column. In the row, take segment and sales. Entire view, click on T. Column में ship mode, order priority. Remove market, remove everything. Should I repeat? Okay, guys, I'll repeat. Clean everything. Okay, just clean. Double click on ship mode. Ship mode should come on column. Then we have order priority. Same on column. segment in row, sales next to segment. Click on T. Done so far. Okay. Now guys, this is a report which we made where we have ship mode wise, order wise, and the segment. Now my suggestion for you on screen. If I click on highest sales come from consumer, which come from medium priority, I click on this. Can I say only this bar is selected? Okay. Now here we have highlights. Click over here next to T. Click on order priority. Select order priority. Okay, let's say I click on medium. See what happened. All the medium is selected everywhere. This is called highlightings. Clear? The next, if I should drop down, I click on segment. The segment wise, all the medium is selected. Clear guys? You can see yellow color highlight is coming. Next, same way drop down, click on ship mode. Only specific that medium and that consumer is selected. So we have three options. Either only all the order priorities, either column wise and row wise, or either specific one bar. Clear? This sheet is called as highlights. Right, sheet name is highlights. Sheet name highlighting. Okay. Add a new sheet. Market, subcategory, sales. Done. Market, subcategory, and sales. And take entire view. Any help you need, guys? Shall I move forward? Okay. Click on format on the main toolbar. Click on font. Okay. Now, guys, here we have two things. One is sheet. Sheet means entire page, or either work row wise, or either work column wise. We have our sheet. Okay. Here we have header. Okay. We have title. So sheet wise, in the first is worksheet. They ask you for bold or not bold. Increase the font size to 14 and see what happened. The size increases. Okay. Now let's come to panel. Panel means all the numbers. Okay. Change any color whichever you want. Clear. So panel is changing your cell, the values. It's a pain, sorry. Able to format. Now we have headers. Okay. Take any headers, guys. All the headers will reflect for you. See. For row and column, all header get changed. Okay. Guys, we are on A. A for font, formatting. Okay. Next to that, we have alignment. Click over here. In the alignment, we have default option. In default, we have pane. Select center and see all the values will come in center. Clear. Next to that, we have some paint color symbol, which is called shading on the top one. This is to shade whichever color you want at the background. Entire work should change, or you just want to change a panel color, you can change the panel color. Or you want to change the header color, you can change the header color also. Is clear? Okay. Now guys, come to border. In border, go for panel. You will get a border line for the panel wise. Header wise. And cell wise. So it's coming systematic order. Just a border line. Here is to format. This way we format our table data, our matrix data, where we have rows and columns. Save this file, the entire workbook as table. Done, everyone? Okay. Did you start the new book? Start the new book. Have a connection. New workbook, new connections. Okay. And this workbook name will be function, calculation function. Now, when I say calculation, guys, can I say we are creating our own variable? Okay. Click on drop down. Yeah. Ready, everyone? Online students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, come to dimension. So, Ragini and Anisha, are you able to work? So, guys, you're absent for 2 days.
I'm just trying to get everything, but I guess I'll refer your previous recording as well from
Okay.
2000.
Okay. Thank you. We'll move forward. Now, guys, here we have data window. If you drop down this, you get option create calculate field. Once you click on this, create calculate field means you are creating an own column. Okay. You can write your own calculations. Okay. Let's start with first basic one. Write OERS max. Column name you just write once again. Sales max. Sales underscore max. It's a column name. Okay. Sales underscore max. Now, guys, here if you can see, we have one right side small arrow. I click over here. You can see over here where I'm clicking. Okay. This gives you all the functions available in Tableau. Now, second, I want to find the maximum value of sales. So can I say max is number calculation? Here, if you see, we have all options. Which function you want to use? Numbers, string, date type conversion, logical, aggregate, depends on you. Okay, just click on aggregate, guys. In aggregate, do we have anywhere max written? Click on max. Now see, return the max of the single expression across all record. Means as per all the record, he check the max value. Or the max of two expression of each record. Example, max of sales. This Tableau has so easy, guys. It give you example how to write the code also. Okay. Now how we have to write first? Function name. Max. See, are you getting option? Just click on tab, select it. Okay. Now we need to find the maximum value of sales. Just write sales, you'll get option. Click on tab. Till you're clear, press OK. And are you getting calculation is valid at the bottom? Every time when it's come calculation valid, indication is correct. Press OK. Okay. Here we created a new column called sales max. Go to data source. Go to right side and cross check. Are you getting? Yeah, but it's coming in the same column for you. Okay. The value is same because each column max we have done. I just want to show you whenever you create any new calculation, new column is created. Now I'll ask you, we need to create something known as quantity. Let's say a customer purchased 2 quantity and sale of 1 quantity is 2 to 1. Sales value is 2 to 1, first one. How many quantity purchase? 2. Okay. What is the profit? It's 2.5. Now, can I find the cost value? Understand the basic logic, guys. I'm just giving a scenario first. If I sell the product at 120 rupees, I get profit of 20 rupees. What is the cost value? How do you get this? Sales minus
profit.
Same can we do over here? Do we have profit column? Do we have sales column? Come to data source. Again, drop down, create calculation field. Come to sheet, drop down, create, calculate field. Now my question, what is the column name we duplicate? Cost. Okay. Next. We will do like this way. Sales minus profit. Sales minus profit. Clear? Are you getting calculation is valid? Now guys, press OK. Done, sort of. Press OK. Are you getting a cost column ready for you? Go to data source. Are you getting a new column created for you, cost? आप लेटेस्ट आप वर्जन यूज कर रहे हो ना, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So guys, we have done subtraction. Okay. Now we have second option. We have sales value. Sale is 100. And the person have purchase quantity as 2. This is per product, per quantity. Can we find total sales? How? Sales into quantity. Let's do, okay. Drop down, new column, right? Total sales. Sales into quantity. Clear? Press OK. Are you getting total sales created for you on the left hand side? See, go to data source and cross check. 221.98 into 2 is how much? You can multiply with your mobile phone and cross check, guys. Are you getting a proper calculation of total sales? Okay. Now guys, on screen. Okay. Again, drop down, click on create calculate field. Right? Column name profit status. Okay. Now remember we have done if else condition in SQL, Python, and R. Same if. Okay. Now guys, if you see what comes over here, is a series of expression. Return the value for first true. If profit is greater than 0, then profitable, or else if profit equal to 0, then break even, or else loss. This give an example to you also. Okay, else if sum of profit is greater than 75,000. I'm just doing a summary level. Sum of profit greater than 75,000. Give me answer as high profit, or else give me answer as low profit. Done, everyone? Yogesh?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, are you getting option? The calculation contains error. Okay. Whenever you write any if-else statement, you need to AND it. So the last keyword is AND. Once you write AND indication, it will stop. You will get answer. Calculation is valid. Clear? Press OK. Are you getting profit status for you? Okay. Make a sheet. Profit versus sales subcategory. 5 sort entirely. Subcategory and profit. Subcategory. I just sorted and swipe. Guys, just click on T, you'll get a number. Do we have anywhere profit more than 75,000? How many bar?
Seven.
Take profit status in color. Take your profit status in color. Easy to read. So this condition we created as a business required. Till you're clear. Want me to repeat, Dheeraj? Okay. Same way. Now another one. Come to drop down and write create calculate field. Right? Sales status. Sale status. Okay. If okay, sum of sales one second, let me see. If sum of sales is greater than 10 lakhs, Then give us high sales, high else if second condition, if sum of sales is greater than 5 lakhs, then give us medium or else low. See, write like this way. Want me to repeat how to write? Guys, every time you will get option. You don't have to do spelling mistake also. Done. Saurabh, you, Dheeraj, Yogesh.
Done, sir.
Okay. Just press OK and just make one chart, subcategory versus sales. Subcategory versus sales. Okay. Now take subcat sales status and drag in color. All the values more than 10 lakhs will get blue color. More than 5 lakhs will get your medium color. Then we have low color. Till clear? Easy guys to write if else. Just 1 second. Once again. Okay. Guys, come to data source panel. You will be able to see all the columns which you created: profit status, sales status, total sales, cost. Okay. Shall I move forward? Okay. Now, guys, here we do a joins. Remember, we have done last time join, inner join, left join. Now take a return and drag. Take this and drag and select left join and then wait. Okay. Now coming back to the topic is just take return and draft and select as left join. Okay. Now in the left, you have a column coming as order ID of return in region of return. Remove that. We don't require. Hide that. You have a column called return for you. Are you getting this column written? Yes. Anywhere in the written you will get answer as yes. Yes indicate. What is the meaning of yes? Now guys, you have a column called written. Hide आ गया ना आपको? In written we have yes and we have null. Null means missing data. Yes means the customer have already written the product. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to replace it. Here also we can write create calculations on screen. You see there's a drop down arrow. Create calculate field. Click over here. Right over here as return status. Done. Right. If null, if there is a null present in return column, comma replace with no. So we are just creating a new column. Wherever there is a null, I'm replacing with no and press OK. Till you're done. A new column return status is created for you. And wherever there is a yes, we're getting as yes. Only null get replaced by no, guys. Till you're clear. How to replace missing values, how to treat. Okay. Next one. Now, guys, here if you remember, we make this chart. Okay. But all the names are coming small letter. Okay. If you want to work on text data also, so we have seen calculation, multiplication, subtraction, plus if else. Now we'll work on string data. On screen, I say drop down, create calculate field. Okay. I just say upper. Just writing a name. Okay. Column name. Function name is also upper. Write into I write capital. Column name is, function name is upper. Upper of subcategory. And I press OK. Now you see, guys, what is the difference? See capital. Every category name converted to upper alphabets. And all subcategories coming as small case. So we can work on string data also. Clear? Any question on this, guys? Easy to work. Direct capital. You have to create new column. You cannot replace anything on the same column because that is the original data. It's a live data, no? So you cannot change in that. You have to create a new column for your analysis. Clear? These are the functions available in Tableau, guys, and you can use many functions, guys. Okay. We are done with one logical function, if else, if, and if null. Okay, mean, max. Second, we can done with the string also, starting with contain. Remember wildcard operators? We can do left, we can do right, lower, upper, start with, end with, contain. We can do that also. So all the functionality is available, guys. You don't have to worry for that. It's the main thing and how we can use that. Okay. Now save this entire workbook as function. Okay. Now I shall ask you one logical question. Do you need a break? You can take now. Otherwise, forward 1 hour or 130 minutes, I'll not give you a break. Okay. Because if I take one topic, I have to continue. I cannot break the topic in parts. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay. 15 minutes break. Come in 15 minutes. Let's start a new workbook. Everyone, guys, online students, start a new workbook. Okay. We'll be
Okay,
start
sir.
working on. Write the book name as Introduction to Charts. So guys, we'll be covering all charts available in Tableau. Okay. Once you're ready, just inform me. Introduction to charts. Okay. First sheet name scatter plot. Sheet name scatter plot. Done. Double click on sales. Double click on profit. Take category in column. Category in shape. Guys, listen when I say. Double click on sales. Double click on profit. Category in color. Category in shape. Now at least you should be able to work when I say. Increase the size. This is called scatter plot. Clear? Okay. Add a new sheet. Take click on sales, click on profit, subcategory in shape. Subcategory in shape, click on add all members. You get option now when you drag on shape, click on add all members. Subcategory को shape में put करो, हो गया. Are you getting different shape for different categories? Okay, so guys, for either 3 levels and also works for multiple levels. So both are called as scatter plot with interactive, means shape and color. Till clear? We move to the next one. Anyone have question for scatter plot? Please ask. Okay. Sheet name world map. Name word cloud. Word cloud. We done in this one at Python NLP. Either up. Okay. Then this will take category in label in text. Sorry, take country in text. There's a column called country. Take in text. Sales in color. sales in color, sales in size. Sales in color, sales in size. Okay. Now in the marks card, you have automatic. Drop down and click on text. Now click on color, edit color. I'm taking color as orange, blue, diverging. This become easy to read. Click on color, edit color, orange, blue, diverging. Are you getting orange, blue? Now guys, according to you, take your arrow towards India. What is the sales value? 5,89,000. Now take your arrow to United States. 10 lakhs. The year the word cloud work like such a way, whichever country have the highest sales, that will get the highest font size. Clear? Same over there we do now in NLP. More repetitive will get a more font size. Clear guys? Shall I move forward? Other sheet. Sheet name line chart. Right, discrete line chart. Sorry, discrete line chart. Double click on sales. Double click on order date. Order date. Why we call this as discrete, guys? What is the reason? Guys, the color of the date is blue now. What I explained you, blue color are discrete, green color are continuous. Okay, click on plus sign of color, plus sign of year. Are you getting different bar for different year, different lines for different year? So इस पे click करना sort of. Yeah. Done everyone, Yogesh?
Done, sir.
Add a new sheet. First lesson. Double click on sales. Double click on order date. Do. फिर से same करना है. Double click on sales. Double click on order date. Okay. Now you are getting order date as blue color. Drop down order date and select below one. This one. Green हो जाएगा automatic. Now you click plus sign of this. Okay. Sort of what is the difference between this chart and this chart? ये क्या है? This is continuous. Perfect. You write continuous line chart. Sheet name as continuous line chart. डाउन करना है और ये वाला ईयर क्लिक करना है. ये क्लिक होगा ऑटोमेटिक पहला वाला. आपको सेकंड वाला क्लिक करना है. So guys, we done with scatter plot. We done with line chart. Add a new sheet. right? Multiple line charts. Double click on sales, double click on order date, category in color. You can see also the screen and you can also do, guys. It's not a rocket science. So a simple thing. Able to do, Dheeraj? Question. Easy, guys. This, do we have one line or multi lines? So this sheet name is multi-line charts. Okay, do with me. Double click on sales. Okay. Double click on order date. Done this one. Again, double click on profit. Are you getting two different lines, two different bars? Go to profit, drop down. Click on dual axis. And always keep a habit of working on entire view, guys. Okay. So you have this one. Right? Now this indicates this is your sales number, y-axis, z-axis is your profit number. Clear? Okay. Now on screen, guys, here we have sales and profit. They both are connected now. They have combined and become one pill, a bigger pills. Now come to sales, drop down. Do with me. Go to marks type. What is the marks type selected, guys? Line. Select as bar. So can I say as sales increases and then click on T? So can I say as sales increases? Okay, profit also keep on increasing. This is called dual axis line chart. Clear? Sheet name, dual axis line chart. Either keep a line, either keep a bar, depends on you. Any question, please ask. Shall I move forward? Next one. Double click on sales, double click on category, category in color. This is called simple bar chart. Simple bar chart. Done, everyone? Double click on sales, category, subcategory. One. I'll just Just give me a second. Let me think. I'll repeat again. Clean the form, clean the sheet. Okay. Take sales, take category, take segment and color. This is called stacked bar chart. Done. Prior was now within bar we break. Stacked bar chart. Done. Add a new sheet. Following students able to perform.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now guys, take segment, category in column, sales in row. Segment, category in column, sales in row, and segment in color. Done. Category, segment in column, sales in row, segment in color. It's called group bar chart. All three are different guys. This is your simple bar chart. This is your stacked bar chart. This is your group bar chart. But the point is difference in all three types. Okay. Now next one. Write sheet name, a bar chart with reference. Bar chart with reference line. Can you make category, subcategory, sales? This category, subcategory, sales. Done, everyone?
Done,
Right.
sir.
What is y-axis? Sales value. Click on sales. Right click, Click on add reference line. Okay. Guys, be with me, first understand it. Okay. Here we have how many options? Line, band, distribution, and box plot. I'm repeating: line, band, distribution, box plot. I'll come to line. Within line, how many scopes we have? 3. What are the 3 scopes? Entire table, per panel, per cell. Now see the board. I click on entire table. What happened? How many lines? One single line. I click on per panel, category wise, per cell, subcategory wise. The difference in scope. Entire table means one single line, per panel means per category wise, and per cell means per subcategory wise. We'll keep on entire table. Okay, on screen. I say values. This value is nothing but average value. Okay, label. Give me numbers. Am I getting numbers over here? So all the numbers, all the bar which crosses more than average, we call high sales. Next, I want to fill the color. Above has to be blue. Below has to be dark. So easy to relate, guys. Any question you can ask, please. I'm open to any question. So whichever bar coming on the blue color, can I call their high sales? Whichever come in the gray color, we call it the low sales. Do the formatting, guys. You can also change. Change the color and try with this. Right click, add reference lines, and then you have to do. Once you're done, just update it. Sort of done. Done, everyone. Easy. Close this. Next, add a new sheet. So click on sales, click on category, click on subcategory, and then wait. Done, guys? Shall I? Okay. Now, click on sales, right click, add reference line. What is the meaning of entire table? One line. One line. Per panel means category wise. Per cell means per bar wise. Okay. Now click on band. The band, click on entire table. A band is nothing but interval, starting and end. We have a range. Okay. Now see, guys, first band from. I say the value will start from sum of sales, should start from average. Okay. A value which are coming above average and below max will have a color as blue. And the line format I have taken as dark color line. Easily readable. Here we have max and average. Clear. We can do per panel wise, or table wise, depends on you. Do the changes. Instead of minimum, you have to take average, guys. You will get an idea. Done, everyone. Okay, and close. So guys, we're done with. Now you see the difference in both the charts. See the difference, guys. One is only for cut, another is for range. I'm just showing you. Okay. Now add a new sheet. Okay. Now we'll go for bubble charts. Write the sheet name as bubble charts. Market label. Market in label. Market color. Okay. Sales. Okay. Market in text and market in color. Correct. Now you take sales in size. Getting a box. Should I repeat? Market in text. Market in color. टेक्स्ट के बाजू में कलर है. Sales in size. You have automatic. Drop down and click circle. Okay. Now take sales in label. Guys, which market have the highest sales? Which have the smallest? Africa. Can I say as sales change, the size also change? This is called bubble charts. Clear. Add a new sheet. Write tree map. Sheet name tree map. Category in text. Subcategory in text. And subcategory in color. Sales in size. And sales in label. Can I say that whichever have the highest sales will take the highest area? This is called tree map. Sheet name, chart name is tree map. Now you can want to change color format, take category and color if you want. This type of chart is called tree map. Done, guys. Next, click on plus sign. right? Waterfall. Take subcategory and sales and sort. Subcategory sales. Done. Sales in color. Done, guys. I just change the color format. Okay. Now take your sales in size. Whichever have the highest sales have the highest bar size. Okay. Are you getting automatic on the marks card? Drop down and select Gantt bar. This looks like a water falling down. This is called Gantt waterfall chart. Done. Add a new sheet. Take market in text, market in color. Done. Sales in text. Drop down and select pie. Drop down and select pie. Always work on entire view, guys. Clear, clear. Now, which have the highest sales? Lowest sales. But the size taken by both are equal. Okay. We need to bifurcate based on size wise. Take your sales and drag in angle. New thing is activated. Done, guys. Now the sales number are coming in for you as values. To convert into percentage. Easiest way. Once again. Can you see here we have sum of sales? T sum of sales. Drop down. Table calculations, percent of total. Percent of total. You'll get percent contribution. Clear, clear. Okay. Next, add a new sheet. Pie chart. Okay. Please double click on country, then wait. Are you getting some type of map? Are you able to see somewhere we have India also? Okay. Now take your country and drag and filter. Take your country and drag and filter. Okay. Done. कंट्री पे डबल क्लिक किया, ऐसे कुछ ड्रॉ हो गया. कंट्री को फिल्टर में ड्रैग कीजिए. Done. Okay. Click on none, everyone. Click on none. Here you have to type something. Can you see where I'm clicking? Type India and select it box. बॉक्स पे टिक करना है, इंडिया पे नहीं. Click OK. So you will be getting only India and one dot. Clear? Anywhere we have state name, state column, take and drag in label. You will be getting all the state names which is available. Okay. Take your state name in color. Okay. We are getting in color also and state name also. Here we have automatic coming in the marks card. Drop down and click on map. Easy, guys. I just drop down and selected map. See, Dheeraj. Are we getting a map of India, guys? Now, guys, can I say every state have different color? Now, as an analyst, I want to know which state have the highest sales. So what should I do? I take my sales, I drag in color. Whichever state has the highest dark color. Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh have the highest sales. Very clear. Anyone have any question on this? Easy, guys. Okay. Next, on screen. Can you see on the top you have option called map? Click on map layers. Layer. You will not get option, you just wait. Okay. Map layer. Now in the map layer, we have style option. Take satellite. Are you getting a satellite view? Within a state, borderline is very light. Take dark color. See. You can change to any format, whichever you want. Normal shade size, sheet one. Okay. Any map, whichever you prefer, guys, you can do that way. Okay. Now, guys, take a dark. I just want to explain something. Let's take a dark. Wash out 100%. What happened? Background vanish. Within a state, borderline is dark and clear. The point, guys, this is called your map analysis. Clear? Any question? Please ask. Okay. Now, guys, highest sales come from where? Maharashtra and UP, Uttar Pradesh. Click on Maharashtra. How to select second one? Control click on UP, Uttar Pradesh. Can you see next to T, pin symbol activated, attach symbol? Click on state. So whichever state have the highest sales, that I club. And rest other become different color. Clear. Easy to read, guys. Click on color and give this as easy representation. So Maharashtra and UP have become correct for me because they have the highest sales value. Easy, guys. If you do not explain from the graph, your manager can understand based on color also. If something is there in Maharashtra and UP. Easy, guys. This is called map-wise analysis. Any question in your mind, please ask. Clear here? Now, on screen, I take this satellite. With this satellite view, if you want to zoom in Maharashtra, you can do that also. You're allowed to zoom. Okay. I'll do one more thing on screen. Here we have city name also. And take in label. See. Able to get a see on screen. This is your Satara Road. Okay. Clear, guys. Any question? Any question in your mind? Please ask. Anyone have any question? Is he guys working on maps also? Okay. Save this file. So we just completed all types of charts. Bar chart, line charts, scatter plot, bubble charts, waterfall, pie charts, map, Gantt bar chart. Okay. We just covered all type of charts for this. Clear. Suppose this, start a new workbook. Okay. In your new workbook, make first sheet, category versus sales. Do category versus sales. Category in color. Make a second sheet. Category, subcategory versus sales. Category, subcategory versus sales. Category in color. First sheet. Clear, guys. Do you want me to repeat? First sheet done. Write sheet name, category analysis. Second sheet name, subcategory analysis. Done, everyone? Yogesh?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now what you can do, guys, come to category. Okay. First lesson, how I do. Okay. I click on worksheet. Then I'm clicking on action. Like this way. Once you click on action, new thing opens for you. Okay. This action, people who have worked in Excel, okay, something called hyperlink. So here we call it an action. Hyperlink means you click on any name, inside that there is a link. Okay. Example, if I show you, I just click over here. This is Wikipedia of California. I click on state, it will take me to the next one. I click on this, it will take me to the next one. This is called hyperlink at the backend. Same thing we will do over here. Now here we have add action. Click on add action. How many options we have? Filter, highlights, go to URL. These three are very important. Okay. First, click on filter. Worksheet action. Add action filter. Now source means from where we start journey. Okay. Just deselect subcategory. In targets sheet, select subcategory. Means once I click on category sheet, I will come to subcategory sheet. You clear हो गया? Click on show all values. You clear हो गया? Click run action on click on select. Select पे टिक करना है. Okay. Press OK. Done, guys. Are you getting some filter one? Press OK. Now one more thing. Hit your arrow to technology. Anything happens? No. Now click on technology and see what happens. You come to second sheet. After clicking, after selection, got the point? This is called hyperlink. Action on filter. Want me to repeat anyone? Yogesh done. Ragini done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, click on furniture and check. Are you coming to second sheet or not? Now coming back to category, deselect that. Now understand, guys. Go to worksheet, go to action, and wait. What is run on? Select, मतलब जैसे हम कोई बार पे select करेंगे तो ही हम second page पे जाएंगे, correct? Double click on this. Are you come back to the same one? Now in run action, how many options we have? 3. Either hover or menu. Click on menu and OK. Again OK. पहले हमने select पे click किया था, अभी we are on menu. Now click on technology. Tell me, do you go to second sheet? No. But are you getting option filter 1? Now click on filter 1 and see. So it will give you a menu. Based on menu, you select. Got the point? Easy, guys. Got the meaning of select? Got the meaning of menu? Okay. Same way. Go to worksheet, action. Go to worksheet, action. Double click and now take hover. And press OK. How fast hover works, guys? Hover means when you take your arrow. Which is better? Select is better. At the point. What is the meaning of action? It's like a hyperlink. Clear. Keep a select only, guys. Go to worksheet, go to action, and select only. Okay. Remember, we have done highlights. We click on medium and medium get colored. Okay. It's the same thing. Okay. Now it works on URL. Okay. Works on URL. Add a new sheet. Add a new sheet. Guys, we have to make a map over here. Okay. Double click on country. Take country in filter. Click on none. Write India. Click OK. State in column and state in label. Done. Drop down and select map. Done, everyone? Okay. Now is go to open your Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome. In the Chrome, just write California or write India. Just write India. Are you getting some Wikipedia page? First link. Click on that. Is it easy over here? Okay. One second. Okay. Now you have India link, guys. What you can do? Copy this link. Control C. Copy Copy done. Done, everyone. Go to country, go to worksheet, click on action. Okay. Now guys, click on add action, click on go to URL. In the source sheet, you have 3 sheets. Category, subcategory, remove that. Our main sheet is sheet 3. And click on select. You know what is the meaning of action now. So take select. You have URL. Copy and paste. Are you getting http://India Wikipedia something? Click on test link. So cross check whether the link is working or not. A new web page open. Okay, on screen. Now guys, at the last you have India written. First see guys how I'm doing. I'm removing only India. Okay. Remove India. Only India, INDIA. You have right arrow. Select state. Press OK. And OK. You click on any state, Wikipedia page will open for you. Try. Clicking on any state. Able to access any pages of Wikipedia. So you can connect your Tableau with any of your Google search. Clear guys. Easy. This is hyperlink with state. Hyperlink with URL. Done guys. Save this file and close the file, start a new one. This sheet is done. Close this, write sheet name, action. Workbook name, action. Because we have done 2 types of action. One is your filter and one is your URL. Entire workbook name will be action.
Okay.
Start a new. Have a connection with the same. Okay. Take your time. Done. Ready? Okay. Double click on sales. Double click on profit. Take category in shape, category in color, increase the size, and then wait. And everyone. Now guys, when you click on shape, click on drop down. How many options are you getting? How many options are you getting? कितने options are there? Okay. You're getting default option, correct? Scroll down default and tell me how many options you have. Many options available नहीं है. हाँ, कितने हैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ. You have failed, you have arrow, you have bar. ऐसे कितने options हैं? Till KPI? Till where? Till weather. Okay. So you have till weather. Okay. Now, example, guys, you do not have this type of actions. Let me show you. Can I see I change the symbol? You do not have this predefined symbol for you. Now, guys, if you remember, I have given a file called material design to you. Log into a drive and check. Everyone have downloaded that. You download Tableau folder from the drive. You unzip that. You have one material design. If not, I'll upload again. Can you unzip that? You can see from the screen, I'm just giving you in Tableau. If you do not have, don't worry. I'm just giving in the Tableau. Take this one. Done. Done, guys. Downloaded. Ready? Okay. Now, once you have zip file, you unzip. Do you know how to unzip? After unzipping, are you getting a folder name called material design? Within that, how many folders you have? 16 folder. Control A, Control C. Do Control A, Control C. Copy that. You guys done?
No, sir. I will be doing.
वो टाइम लगेगा ना, बहुत बड़ी फाइल है. कॉपी हो गया. Yogesh done. Once you download
Yes, sir.
it, okay. Once you copy, Control A, Control C, come to document, come to my Tableau repository. Left hand side में documents होंगे. My Tableau repository. Are you getting shapes? Shapes. In the shape, press Control V. Done. So prior you have 10. Now you pay 16. 10 plus 16. So you will have 26 folder. See what is there in this folder on screen. I open material action. Can you see all the images are there? Okay. Now come to your Tableau, click on shape, drop down, and tell me, are you getting options available? Or you have only 10? Only 10. Reload. Now drop down. Now you go to material social and select whichever you want. Go to material social, click on assign palette. Yogesh, able to do? Or should I repeat?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done this one? Are you able to change? You just have to keep on reload shape. All the images will be loaded for you. Go to material social and click on assign palette and press OK. Done, Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
Are you using your laptop or using a mobile phone to connect?
The meeting is using in meeting on mobile phone, and laptop is type.
Okay. Perfectly you get now. I'm just confirming because we are using in dashboard. That's the reason I'm asking you. Done, Yogesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, I just want you to make 3-4 charts. Be with me. Double click on sales, category, subcategory, new sheet. Subcategory and category in color. Sheet 1, you write scatter plot. Sheet 2, you write bar plot. Then always work in entire view, guys. It's a rule. And always remove cards. See. Always work on entire view. The card. 2 sheet done, guys. Now next one. Add one more. Okay. Take category in text. Okay, once. Take segment in text. Remove. Take segment in text. Segment in color. Sales in shape. Take this bar chart. Sales in label. Hide the start. Segment in shade, segment in label, segment in color, sales in size, sales in label. Should I repeat? Okay. Point number 1. Clear this. Segment in text. Done. Segment in color. Sales in size. Sales in label. Done. Drop down, select pie chart and take entire view. And report the cards. So we have made 3 charts. Scatter plot, bar plot, pie charts. Now, guys, the last topic. Okay, then I leave you if you're done. Next to sheet, you have one box. It's called dashboard. Click on that. Now, understand the functionality of this. Okay. Next, we'll come to dashboard later. Delete that. It's okay. Delete. I'll come tomorrow dashboard. I'll teach you different things now. Do you remember, guys, we study something known as time series, linear regression, clustering. Okay. Make a new sheet. Okay. Click on sales. Click on order date. It's 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll leave you. I'll leave in 10 minutes. Take sales and order date. Order date is blue color. ये बनाना है. मैं बना दिया. हाँ करके आओ ना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Now guys, your order date is coming in blue color. Can you convert to green? Drop down and click on here. And click on plus sign, it becomes continuous. Take order wise. So looking at this pattern, as per the time series, how many components we have? Time series में कितने components होते हैं? Trend, seasonal, cyclical, random. According to you, okay, this is which pattern? Upward trend.
Trend.
This one, after every fourth quarter, we have a peak. Here we have
Seasonal.
Seasonal plus upward trend. Okay. Now, here we have data window guys. Click on analytics. यहाँ पे data है और यहाँ पे analytics. Guys, we have only 3 options. Can you see forecast? Click on that. Are you able to get a line? This is a prediction. Now question comes which model they apply. Okay. Here we have option till exponential smoothing. Single exponential, double exponential and triple exponential. To start that. Okay. Click on any of the forward lines. Right click. And click on forecast. Click on forecast options. For how many forward duration you need. Okay. And once again, it's done automatically for the next 5 quarters. Okay. Next 5 quarter means quarter 4, 2015, quarter 1, 16, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So next 5 quarters, click on this. You make sales and sales order date. Order date. Okay. Sales में select on year, this year. Green हो गया. Click on plus sign, quarter हो जाएगा. Okay. See. Click over here. Double click on forecast. Now guys, you have the forecast number. By default, it gives you the forward 5 quarters forecast. Right click on any of the dots. Go to forecast. Go to describe forecast. Okay. If you go to describe forecast, you get a summary report. Seasonal pattern I have after every 4th quarter cycle. Clear? Okay. Forecast duration done for how many quarters? 5 quarters. Okay. Forecasting days start from quarter 1, 12 till quarter 3, 15. Go to model. You see all forecasts were computed using exponential smoothing. Okay. In exponential smoothing, I teach you. This is called as single exponential, double exponential, and triple exponential. How much is the MAPE value over here? 5.6. So your error is 5%. Alpha value is used for what, guys? It's to smooth one. Single exponential. Beta 0 means trend is not there. And gamma. Gamma is for seasonal. Clear? So this is your triple exponential model. Any question? Please ask. Easy, guys. Any doubts in your mind, please ask. Guys, one second. You click on any dots of forecast, right click, go to forecast option. Automatic selected for how many quarters? Click on exact. You select quarters. If you define 10 quarters, it will give you 10 quarters for forecast. You select 2, it will give you for 2 quarters. You select for 4, it will give you for 4. Till you clear. So this adjustment you can do. Second, you want to decide your own model, you can do with manual also. Custom, seasonal, additive depends on you. Suggestion always keep automatic. You will select the best for you. Till you clear. This is called time series model, sheet name. You can write time series model. Then guys, second sheet. Okay. Double click on sales. Double click on subcategory. 1 second, guys. Okay. What you can do is, okay, clean everything. Clean everything. Double click on sales. Double click on profit. Category, subcategory in color. Double click on sales. Double click on profit. Subcategory in color. Write sheet name as cluster. We are doing a clustering. Okay. And so far, come to analytics. Can you see cluster option is activated? Forecast is activated, guys? No. Forecast works when we take a date variable. Okay. Just click on cluster. It will ask you how many groups you want to make. For example, I'm defining 2. Can you see 2 groups? Blue color and orange color. Your work is done. Easy to do clustering, guys. I define 2. Okay. Auto it will not decide. We will not define how many clusters I want to make. Done, guys. 2 clusters. Okay. Are you getting this cluster in color? Okay. Now next come to cluster, which is in color. Drop down. Click on cluster describe. It will give you a report. Variable use are sum of profit and sum of sales. Variable for detailing is subcategory. Scaling was done as normalize. Data is converted to normal scale. How many clusters we make? 2 clusters. And how many data points we have? 17. In cluster 1, how many data we have? Cluster 2, it only displays this one. These are your beat, the centers value, guys. Remember, in K means if the point will keep on moving and stop at one center. These are your center values. Close this. See, guys. The last one. Okay. Let me go first. Double click on sales, double click on profit, double click on sales, double click on profit, take category in color. Come to analytics, double click on trend lines. This is your linear regression. This trend line is a best fit line, fitted value. Okay. Right click on the line, click on describe and model. Click on the line, right click, describe trend model. Can you see we are getting R square value? How much is R square? 64%. Good or bad? What is the threshold for R square, guys? Greater than or equal to 70%. So here we are getting as 64%. Clear. Second, how many rows we have used? Observation, can you see on screen? 17 rows. Can you see coefficient? Coefficient are also called as, what is the equation? X1. This is coefficient, variable name, profit. Second variable name, intercept. Intercept is called as, what is the value for beta naught? 270417. What is the value for beta 1? 5.48. This is your beta 1. What is the X variable? Profit. Clear? The question, please ask. I close this. Okay. Second option you can do, click on line, click on describe trend lines. Are you getting equation made for you also? Just click on line, click on describe trend lines. Are you getting equation made, guys? So you don't have to worry for equation also. What is your Y variable? Sales. X variable? Profit. Beta naught? Beta 1. All have P value less than alpha. Clear? How much is R square we got as? 65%. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Guys, any question, please ask. So we're done with all three analytics also. We're done with time series, cluster, and linear regression. Any question in your mind, please ask. From my side, concept done. Tomorrow, we'll work on dashboard. So whatever we learn in 3 days, now, guys, everything will be implemented on dashboard in 1 day. So tomorrow is a very important day. Don't be absent. Okay. Then from my side, any question, any doubts you have, can ask. Easy. Can I say that just required a practice? Okay, easy, please. You can keep as analytics. The workbook name you can keep as analytics. हाँ, अगर आप करोगे तो और easy हो जाएगा. Guys, nobody can buy heart Tableau. Okay, it is a practice how you click and where you click. And just one more announcement, guys. Okay, Saturday you will have a lecture, but your lecture will be online. Okay, only for Saturday.
Okay, sir.
Saturday timing I'll update you. Okay, but it will be approximate is 8 to 11. Saturday mostly 8 to 11. Okay. In this forward month's entire month, every Saturday, you will be having a lecture. Just want to ask you, are you available on Sundays also? So that I can give you Diwali vacations. Because we have only 2 weeks before Diwali. So if you're comfortable. So 16, I was thinking to keep. If you want, I'll keep. 15 already we have, 15 and 22 and 29. So do you want me to keep on 16? So what happened? I'll complete. Don't want to give a break till Power BI. Because Tableau and Power BI, they're interlinked like a brother and sister. They always fight. So same happen in software also. Okay, let's see. We'll first skip till Saturday. If we require part time, we go for Sunday, otherwise not. Just make yourself guys for this month available. Okay. Diwali, I'll give you holiday. Don't worry, 24, 25. If option 26 also. 24 and I'll give holiday 24 and 26. Don't worry. And guys, okay, everyone have internet connection at your home. So if you do not have, make sure you go to download Power BI. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And Ragini, just make sure, please, don't take holidays in Power BI also, okay?
Yes, sir.